అంటే పిల్లలు ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, మనకు వీడియో సౌండ్ లేకుండా నీట్.
Is Vedasti. I am studying in 8th class in Sadhana High School. My project name is mutual induction. Change in current from one coil, inductions from another. It is from Faraday's law. It is used in transformations. It is depends on coupling of magnetic fields. EMF fields. EMF increases with the rate of change in current times. Class in Sadhana High School. My project name is mutual inductions. It is transformation of one coil from another with EMF based on Faraday's law used in transformation. It is used in transformations.
My name is Rabia. I am studying 7th class A section. My school name is Sadhana High School. Today my project name is Newton's cradle. Demonstrating convention of momentism and convention of energy. The metal balls transferred energy from one end to another end. The metal balls transfer through electric collision. One ball of equal force to another ball of equal force. This is used to demonstrating the physics concept. Thank you.
My name is Priyamna. I am studying 7th class A section in Sadhana High School. Today my project's name is angle of incidence is always equals to the angle of reflection. Here the angle of incidence is 30 degrees and the angle of reflection also 30 degrees. Angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. This is the first law of the reflection. Thank you. One and all. My name is J. Harikaustuba. I am studying 9th class A section in Sadhana High School. My project is prototype and my project name is history of ISRO. The father of ISRO was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and the founder of ISRO was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. These are the success of ISRO. First of all, SLV-3. This is the first success of ISRO. It was successfully flight on 1980. ASLV stands for Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, successfully flight on 1987. This is for only experimental purpose. And PSLV-G. PSLV stands for Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle. It is the India's fourth generation launching vehicle. It was successfully flight on 1993. GSLV, Geosynchronous Launching Vehicle. It is successfully flight on 2001. PSLV CA. This is also one of the type of polar satellite launching vehicle. It doesn't need any scrap boosters. This is the supersonic success of ISRO. LVM-3 stands for Launch Vehicle Mark III. Launch Vehicle Mark III. This was successfully flight on 2014. PSLV-DL. It was successfully launched on 2016. It is also one of the type of polar satellite launching vehicle. Next, PSLV-QL. PSLV-QL was successfully flight on 2016. and SSLV. SSLV was successfully flight on 2001. Next, PSLV XL. This is the upcoming rocket in 2016, 2026. Thank you.
What is your topic? What is the explain first introduction?
My name is Shanmukha Priya in 8th class A section, Sadhana High School in Kadri. This is diffusion of gases. Diffusion means spreading of particles from high concentration to lower concentration. This is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid travels slowest because it has high molecular weight. This is ammonia. It travels slowest because fastest because it has a low molecular weight. It is used in our homes. Gas leakage to be detected in our home. Thank you. My name is K. Appan. I am studying in 8th class section in Sadhana High School. My project name is hydraulic bridge. It is principal functions using hydraulic bridge in pressure applied in all directions. See. Sorry. Hydraulic pistols are used to lower and applied force in upper direction. C. Allows a machinery fast to pass through their downside ships and different types of boats, etc. Thank you. My name is G. Satyadana. I am studying in 7th section, Sadhana High School. Today I am telling about total internal reflection. When a light traveling from denser to rare medium incident at an angle greater than the critical angle used in optical fiber, this phenomenon is called total internal reflection.
Good evening, good morning, all of you. My name is Anthony. I'm studying in 9th standard in Sadhana High School. Today my project is Arduino radar. Arduino radar uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect the distance. To detect the signals. Arduino possesses distance signals. It works on the principle of echolocation. It works on the principle of echolocation. It displays the data from the Arduino board to the screen.
Hey.
My name is Reddy. I am studying 7th class section. It is periscope. Periscope. Let me see object. It is periscope. It will is seen directly, not directly seen. It is made by a 45 degrees angles, and it was the uses in submarines and tricks. It also uses in past well during wars. Thank you.
My name is Kechara. I am studying 9th class. Today, we, today we, I want to explain about Archimedes principle. Water flows high to low due to gravitational pull. But here water flows high to low due to gravitational. In this way,
My name is Pavnas. I am studying 8th class Sadhana High School. Uses light changes into sound waves to through battery in power. This I am studying section in Sadhana High School. My project name is Business Board. It is used in 7 cents of dogs and this.
My name is Anand and I am studying 8th class. I am explaining about layers of atmosphere. Troposphere contains weather activities. Stratosphere has zone layer absorbing the UV rays. Mesosphere burns metros. The thermosphere hot evapors. Exosphere measures with outer space.
My name is S. Mohammed Jakal. I am studying 9th class section in Sadhana High School, Kadri. Today we will discuss about solar cooker. Solar cooker is using for cooking in sunlight rays.
My name is Dhruti Darshini. I am studying 7th class A section in Sadhana High School. This is a neutralization reaction. A neutralization reaction is a chemical reaction which acid reacts with base to form salt plus water. This reaction is applicable in many ways in our daily life. This is base, this is acid and phenolphthalein indicator. We mix the base with acid and phenolphthalein indicator. The color change in pink color. Example 1. When we eat acidified food, we feel indigestion. Thank you. My name is M. Kubra. I am studying 9th class E section at Sadhana High School. Today we are celebrating miracles of Sadhana. So I am going to explain precipitation reaction. So I am going to explain precipitation reaction experiment. So in a precipitation is formed by mixing any two liquids. A precipitation is a solid substance. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide to form lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Lead iodide is in yellow color, which is settled down at the bottom of the container. So this is a potassium nitrate and this is a lead nitrate. If we mix it together, it forms a yellow substance. All of you. Good afternoon. My name is K. Harshita. I am studying in 7th class A section in Sadhana High School. This is neuron system. Neuron system is also known as nerve system. This is working model of signals passes to one neuron to another neuron. The nerve transmission or neurotransmission is the process of chemical and electrical signals passing between nerve cells to transmit information about one thing.
I am Venkatesh. I am studying in 10th class. Today I will talk about water reaction in a voltage method. The pressure wheel is a mechanical water. The pressure wheel is a mechanical water to the supply of the water to the voltage method. This is the voltage method to use the water supplying of the metals. The bullock cart, the bull walking on the round one to supply the water power to the villages. In villages, this is the model. This is the older traditional method. Oral traditional method.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Deepa Sardi. I am studying in 6th class section in Sadhana High School. Today's my third work is human skeletal system. First, we will go to skull. Skull is divided into two types. First one is cranial bones. There 18 number. Frontal 1, parietal 2, temporal 2, official 1, ethmoid 1, sphenoid 1. After we will go to facial bones 14. Maxilla 2, palatine 2, nasal 2, zygomatic 2, lacrimal 2, inferior terminals 2, mandible 1, grammar 1. After we will go to ribs. Ribs is 12 pairs. First 10 pairs are false true ribs. Remaining 2 pairs are false ribs. After we will go to limbs. First 4 limbs. There are 60 bones. Humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, phalanges. After we will go to vertebrae. Vertebrae. It is the largest bone of the human body.
Today my name is Dhruti Darshini. I am studying 8th class. Today I am explaining about fetal development in human beings. Fetal development is the growth and maturation from consumption to birth. The development of developing the neural tube and heart, such as early formation of neural tube and heart, developing the limbs and the maturation of organ system. It is categorized into three stages: first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. When sperm cell and egg cell fertilized, then zygote formed. Zygote divided into two cell egg. Then then the two cell egg by the process of osmosis divided into four cell stage. Then again divided into eight cell stage. Then 16 cell stage. This process is called first trimester. After blastocyst blastocyst prepared. Then heartbeat only.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ganesh and my friend Vishwanta. Today I am explaining the enzyme explodes activity definition. Enzyme is a biocatalyst that speed up chemical reaction within living organisms, but typically by acts that acts that biochem acts that biochemical acts that biochemical process.
Myself Sanithya from class 8A. Today I am here with my project food pyramid. Food pyramid helps us to balance our diet in which it helps us. It keeps us healthy and prevent from diseases. From the following we can see there are different types of food materials. There are fats, milk products, carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins. They keeps in they keeps us in they helps us to prevent diseases from in a different ways.
My name is A. Chaitra. I am studying 7th class A section in Sadhana High School. We are discuss about reduction reaction. Reduction reaction is also called as one type of the chemical chameleon reaction, which is the first color is violet and it turns into the blue and green, and last color is a brown and yellowish color. We we tested on two chemicals. First one is NaOH. It will turn blue to green and brown and yellowish color.
Generally, my name is S.M. Desulhe. I'm studying in 8th class. This product name is water, civil water of canals. Generally, in the houses in front of the water canals, there are through the papers and people are through the papers and waste materials, plastic and they are blocked in the sites. So we feel the bad smell. There are the lights on and the water supply. Thank you.
My name is Niharika. I am studying in 8th class A section in Sadhana High School, Kadri. Today my project is bioplastic. Bioplastic is synthesized by the natural materials such as vinegar, corn flour, glycerin and water. Procedure. First mix all products and mentioned above and heat to make thick. Then apply to a sheet, make thin layer and dry it for 2 days and peel it. Uses. Bioplastic generally used to instead of synthetic plastic. Bioplastic can be degradable in soil and dissolves in water. Bioplastic can reduce environmental pollution. It is used to store lightweight materials. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jamini. I am studying in 8th class. My project, in Sadhana High School. In Sadhana High School, my project name is evaluation carbon dioxide gas. Take one clinical class. Take one clinical class with some amount of baking soda. Release carbon dioxide. My name is Yudhishta. I am studying 9th class A section in Sadhana High School. Today we tell about air purification by using carbon. Carbon absorbers are used in the industries to clean polluted air are released into the environment. It is works factories air contains pollutants. These may include harmful gases, smoke, vapor, odor organic compounds, or volatile organic chemicals. Air is passed through activated carbon. Activated carbon has millions of pure pores, giving it a very large surface area. Pollutants get trapped onto the carbon surface. This process is also called absorption. Means gas.
Myself K. Manjunath Reddy and my friend is C. Badrinath. I am studying in 6th A section. My project name is fertilization process of flower. There is flower. There are petals, sepals, androecium, ganticium. The pollen grains. Androecium contains pollen grains. Each pollen grain develops and go into stigma, and it fuses with egg cells. This process is called fertilization.
Good morning, everyone. My name is K. Akrutai. I am studying 8th class in Sadhana High School. My project is brain. The complex organa that control all the body functions, including movement, senses, and emotions. Major parts of the brain is cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. Cerebrum is a large part. It is divided into two hemispheres. That is cerebral cortex and lobes. Cerebral cortex, the outer layer, which is responsible for the conscious of emotions and language, and lobes. Each hemisphere is further divided into four lobes that are potential lobe, optical lobe, and frontal lobe, and temporary lobe.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is P. Today I am studying in 9th class section. Today my project name is electroplating. What is meant by electroplating? Electroplating is the one metal loading of one metal to another metal by using electricity. It is called electroplating. The process of electroplating is to take a formula, take a solution of CuSO2 and beaker added with limited water and blue, it will comes to blue color and added with battery connection and pass through, then the bubbles will become and color will be changed also blue color. When the metal is anode and divided into copper wire into metals with ions, the combination of the process will be converting into bubbles and the promulgation of electroplating to CuSO2. Thank you for giving me.
Myself and parents were I studied in class 9 section B section. Today master diagnosis with the procedure. Place one egg in the one diluted sound outer shell. Take out the egg with the half tablespoon. Wash under the tap water.
Myself Naveen. I am studying in 9th class section. My project name is Electrolysis of water. First of all, electrolysis means when the electricity is passed through a acidified water is known as electrolysis. In this project, we use two electrodes. One is acidified water and graphite. And we used anode cathode rays. Anode ray means positive charge and cathode ray means negative charge. Why we take acidified water means pure water is not a conductor for electricity. When we drop 2 to 3 drops of acid, it can show conductivity. The formula of water is H2O. 2H2O is equals to 2H2 plus O2. Thank you.
My name is Yam Hanis. I am studying 7th B. Today I am explaining about water alarm is a device used to detect an overflow or leakage of water and allows the user to get buzzer or a light. The buzzer battery sensor are wired together. The simple version of the water alarm uses a sensor to connect two contacts like a wire placed at the height of the glass. As the water rises and touches the two contacts, they will activate the alarm and causing it to go sound.
And my friend Akhil, today we are explaining about material is required into conical flask or material required in terms of the distant mode or the displacement. Conical hole, a glass with bed with 1 to right angle triangle is moved up all the factors in a right angle triangle. Yes,
Procedure. About 50 germinating seeds were placed in a conical flask and few drops of water added keep them moist. A cotton thread tied to the neck of the small test tube and 4 ml of KOH solution was poured is in it and suspended in a conical flask. The mouth of the conical flask was closed with a frog in a delivery tube. It was
Everyone, my name is Shantanesh. I am studying in 9th standard in Sadhana High School. ఇప్పుడు సైన్స్ ఫేర్ ఆ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు బాగా మాకు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మేము ఇలా సైన్స్ ఫేర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే మాకు చాలా ఫ్యూచర్లో మంచి జాబ్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ కూడా ఉంది అంకుల్. ఫ్యూచర్లో మాకు మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ గెయిన్ అవుతుంది. మాకు చాలా మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ గెయిన్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే మాకు మంచి క్రియేటివిటీ స్కిల్స్ కూడా గెయిన్ అవుతాయి. దట్స్ ఇట్.
ఎవ్రీవన్, ఈరోజు సాధన స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ యొక్క విశిష్టత గురించి ఎంతోమంది పిల్లలు చాలా ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా వారి యొక్క విశిష్టమైన ప్రయోగాలు చేసి వారిలో ఉన్నటువంటి అద్భుతమైన జ్ఞానాన్ని బయటికి వెలితీయడంలో సాధన స్కూల్ యొక్క మేనేజ్మెంట్, దానితో పాటు పిల్లలకి సపోర్ట్ చేసే టీచర్లు ఎంతో గొప్ప అద్భుతాలు చేశారు. దానితో పాటు వాళ్ళలో ఉన్నటువంటి నాలెడ్జ్ని బయటికి తీయడానికి ఎంతోమంది వారు చేసినటువంటి ఫలితాల మీద చాలా అద్భుతమైన ఫలితాలు వచ్చాయి. అందులోనే భాగంగా సాధన స్కూల్ ఎప్పుడూ పిల్లల యొక్క భవిష్యత్తుకై ఎల్లప్పుడూ పోరాడుతూ వారి యొక్క విశిష్టత ఉన్నతమైనటువంటి జ్ఞానాన్ని బయటికి తీయడంలో ముందుంటుందని కోరుకుంటూ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. నా పేరు హరికౌస్తుభ. ఈరోజు మా సాధనా స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ ఫేర్ అయితే జరగడం జరిగింది. ఆ సైన్స్ ఫేర్కి మిరాకిల్స్ ఆఫ్ సాధన అని పేరు పెట్టారు. మిరాకిల్స్ ఆఫ్ సాధన అంటే పిల్లలే పెద్దల హెల్ప్ లేకోకుండా మంచిగా ఆలోచించి ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా అన్నీ చేశారు. దానికి మా స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్కి థ్యాంక్స్. We are now studying 7th class A section. Today we are celebrating miracle science in Sadhana school. In our school, so many students do projects about biology, physics, chemistry, and other subjects. The projects are very well working. Thank you.
ఈరోజు సాధనా స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ ఫెయిర్ జరగడం జరిగింది. దీని ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏమిటంటే పిల్లల్లో క్రియేటివిటీని అలాగే నాలెడ్జ్ని పెంపొందించడం కోసమని మేము ఈ సైన్స్ ఫెయిర్ని చేయడం జరిగింది. దీనికోసం పిల్లలు మా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులు అందరూ ఎంతో సహకారంతో కృషితో చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ సైన్స్ ఫెయిర్ యొక్క దీంట్లో ఏమంటే చాలా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏమిటంటే ఇప్పుడు సైన్స్ వల్ల మనకు ఎన్నో చాలా ఉపయోగాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఈవెన్ మెడికల్ ఫీల్డ్లో అయినా మనం మెడిసిన్స్ ద్వారా మెడికల్ టెక్నాలజీని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మన యొక్క హెల్త్ని ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేసుకోవడం జరిగింది. అలాగే అగ్రికల్చర్ ద్వారా కూడా సో మెనీ టూల్స్ అంటే టెక్నికల్ టూల్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఫార్మల్ టూల్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని అలాగే ఫర్టిలైజేషన్ కానీ కల్టివేషన్ కానీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అలాగే పిల్లల్లో సృజనాత్మకతను వెలికి తీసేందుకై సాధనా స్కూల్లో ఈ సైన్స్ ఫెయిర్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
Good evening to all. I am the faculty of biology in Sadhana School. Today we conducted celebrations of miracle of science. The children are very good explaining about the projects or working models. They do very well, I think so. In the base knowledge is nothing but in the school section is a base knowledge of well developing in science and mathematics. In the other studies they are more useful. So HMs are conducted very well. So in the more innovatives and thinking is very well, I think so. This is very well developed new technologies in agriculture, medicines. They are developing very well in our country. So in the Sadhana school students in every they have further they do very in the maybe doctor and engineers they have very effective in these schools. Everything. Thank you so much for this giving opportunity in Sadhana school. Thank you.
So today we have conducted science fair in our school. The main theme of this conducting the science fair is nothing but to bring awareness among the students, to make them curious about the science. And in our daily life, from everything, transportation, electricity, everywhere, we use it to depend on science only. Science is the backbone for human development. So our students made everything. So what we are using in our daily life, what is the science behind it? They brought it outside, and they found the advancement in science also they have shown through their experiments. So our theme, another theme is knowing by doing. ప్రయోగం చేయడం ద్వారా ఒక విషయాన్ని నేర్చుకోవడం అనే విషయంతో ఈ విషయం వాళ్ళు మొత్తం అన్ని వర్కింగ్ మోడల్సే చేశారు. సో ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ థింగ్ అండ్ ఇట్ నీడెడ్ ఫర్ ఏ స్కూల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ ఫర్ చిల్డ్రన్స్. దోస్ హు వర్క్డ్ హార్డ్, we wish them a great future. Thank you.